Welcome everyone. We will be discussing the differences between Char and Varchar data type. Char and Varchar data type are both character data type in MySQL. Let's start with Char. Char stands for character. Char is a data type in MySQL that allows storing character strings of specified fixed length. Char size of storage allocation max length is 255. That means Char storage allocation max length start from 0 to 255. It can't take more than that. This data type is best used when the expected data value of a particular column is having the same length. Why? Because it is a fixed length, right? The disadvantages of this data type is that Char part up space when storing strings less than the fixed size length. Char can take data type that is less than the maximum length specified, but it cannot take more than its maximum. Example of Char: suppose you declared a variable of Char 5 in a bracket data type, it will always take 5 bytes of data regardless of whether you store 3, 5, 4, or even 1 or 2. It will always take 5 bytes. That is, you can store a maximum of 5 characters in a column. Due to this, sometimes a lot of database space is being wasted. For example, we have a list of items as a given char data type in a column with a fixed length of 5 characters, and then I impute back. Char will take in the 3 character, which is this. It will take in B, A, and G as the 3 characters, but it will store it as 5. It will store these remaining spaces that makes it up 5. It will pile up the bases. But assume now we are giving another item as choose, which is this. Char will take in this, this, this. Remember, each character stands for a byte. So Char will take in S as 1 byte, H as another byte, O as another byte, E as another byte, and S. But in the case where it has lesser, like this, like the book, it will take in book as well, B for 1 byte, O for another byte. But the last byte, which is empty, it will pad it up. The same with pen. Assume that this last column now is having just 1 character. Char will again take in the 1 character, but it will pad up the remaining space. This is how Char store its data. But remember, it must always be from 0 to 255 max length. Okay, let's see the difference with Varchar. Varchar stands for variable character. That means it will always vary. Varchar is a data type in MySQL that allows storing character strings of variable length with a specified maximum length. Varchar size of storage allocation max length is 65,535. That means its max length of storage starts from 0 to 65,535. The advantages of this Varchar is it can save space in the database because it uses the amount needed to store the actual data. Here, there is no padding up of space in Varchar. Here it stores the maximum amount needed to store the actual data that is imputed. For example, suppose you declare a variable of 5 Varchar data type, and in this case we are using list of items. Then it will use the number of bytes equal to the number of character. So this is going to use the number of bytes equal to the number of character. In this case, if we impute back here, okay, it will not pile up these two spaces as Char did. Here, these spaces will be off. It will store just the actual data that is being given. So the two extra spaces are not included. It will store just what you gave it. The same with this one. Chu is 5 letters, 5 characters, so it would store just the 5 characters. Book is 4 characters, it will store just the 4 characters, and this last space that was padded up in Char will be off. The same with the last one, which is pen. Let's assume that this pen is just 1 character, 1 byte. Varchar will just take just what you input and do away with this. This is the specific difference between Char and Varchar. Varchar is always taking in the maximum amount of data imputed. Let's see specific difference between Char and Varchar. Char stands for character, while Varchar stands for variable character. Char stores character or strings of a fixed length size, while Varchar stores characters or strings of a variable length. Char is equal to the set length called the n bytes, while Varchar is equal to the actual length of the enter string in bytes. Char provides better performance in comparison with Varchar. It is somehow faster than Varchar. In Varchar, the length has to be accounted for, therefore the performance is not satisfactory. That means it takes time because the specified maximum length has to be counted for, so it somehow slows. It takes time. Padding off of space is required when storing strings less than the fixed size length. It will pad up space. But in the case where you have the same the character you are inputting is having the same fixed length, it will not pad up. But in Varchar, no padding is required as it is variable in size. It is expected that the data values in a column should be of the same length, while in Varchar, it is expected that the data values in a column should be of variable length. It takes 1 byte for each character, while it takes 1 byte for each character, and in addition to that, it also takes some extra bytes for holding length information. No wonder Char is faster in performance than the Varchar. That's because it takes some extra bytes for it to be able to hold length information since it is not padding up. A good example of Varchar can be name. Name will always vary. Some names are long, some are shorter. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please drop your comment in the comment section, and as well do us a favor by subscribing so you can always get our update when we upload new videos. Thank you.